Okay, welcome to Helen Chemistry channel. Okay, bonding in ethylene. Ethylene molecular formula CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, carbon atomic number 6. This is the electronic configuration for carbon. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So ground state for this carbon, 2s2 having 2 electrons, 2p2 having 1 electrons, 2px1, 2py 1 electron. Okay, now excited state. Okay, excited state, one of the 2s electron gets excited to the 2pz orbital. Okay, so we are getting excited state for carbon like this: 2s having 1 electron, 2px having 1 electron, 2py having 1 electron, 2pz having 1 electron. One of the s electron goes to the 2pz orbital, so we are getting excited state like this. So this is shows as p2 hybridization, 1s 2p hybridization. So yes, p2 hybridization. Okay, so the hybridized state what? 1 2 3 4. So sp2 sp2 sp2. This is the unhybridized orbital 2pz. So 2pz1 is the unhybridized orbital. These are hybridized orbital. Okay, then this is for carbon 1, this is for carbon 2. Okay, the hybridized state of carbon 2, hybridized state for carbon 1. So how many hydrogens you are having? What is the molecular formula? CH2CH. So 4 hydrogens. So hydrogen having 1 electron, so 1s 1 electron, 1s 1 electron. Hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 3, hydrogen 4. Okay, now the hybridized sp2 carbon 1, sp2 orbital of carbon 2 linearly overlap forms sigma bond. Okay, sp2 orbital of carbon 1, sp2 orbital of carbon 2 linearly overlap forms what? Sigma bond. So like this, this is carbon 1, this is carbon 2, sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon 1, sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon 2 overlap forming one sigma bond. So this is the sigma bond. So understand that. Then now sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon 1 overlap with one of the hydrogen atom. Okay, sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon overlap with one of the hydrogen atom forming sigma bond, and another sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon 1 overlap with another hydrogen atom forming sigma bond. See that this is the carbon 1 sp2 hybridized orbital overlap with 1s orbital of hydrogen forming sigma bond. Okay, like this. Then sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon 1 overlap with another hydrogen atom forming sigma bond. So this is the sigma bond. Like that, sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon 1 overlap with 1s orbital of hydrogen forming sigma bond. Like that, sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon 2 overlap with 1s orbital of hydrogen forming sigma bond. So like that, carbon sp2, this is carbon 2, sp2 hybridization, sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon 2 overlap with one of the hydrogen atom forming one sigma bond, and another sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon overlap with another hydrogen atom forming sigma bond, like this. So here you are having carbon 1 having 2pz unhybridized orbital, carbon 2 having 2pz1 unhybridized orbital. These two orbitals do sideways overlap forming pi bond, like this. Okay, this is the 2pz orbital. Okay, these are making sideways overlap form sigma, form another bond. That bond is called pi bond. So what is the structure of CH2 double bond CH2? So one is carbon carbon sigma bond, another one is overlapping of sideways overlapping of carbon carbon, unhybridized orbital forming pi bond. So this is sigma bond. So this overlap makes one bond here. So that is pi bond. Do you understand that? Okay. Next example. Bonding in ethylene. So bonding in ethylene. What is the molecular formula of acetylene? CH2H2. So this is the structure. CH triple bond CH. Okay. So do you not already know that? C1. Okay. C1 carbon state, carbon hybridized, carbon atomic number 1s to 2s to 2p2. From ground state get excited to the 2pz1. So we are having excited state like this. Okay. So this shows sp hybridized state 1, sp hybridized state 2, hybridized orbital 2, unhybridized orbital. This is for carbon 1, this is for carbon 2. In this you are having how many hydrogen atom? 2 hydrogen atoms. So H1, H1. Okay. Here sp hybridized orbital of carbon 1, sp hybridized orbital of carbon 2 overlap forms one sigma bond. C1 carbon 1 sp hybridized orbital, carbon 2 sp hybridized orbital overlaps forming one sigma bond. Then sp hybridized orbital of carbon 1 overlap with 1s orbital of hydrogen forming one sigma bond. sp hybridized orbital of carbon 1 overlap with 1s hydrogen forming one sigma bond. Like that, sp hybridized orbital of carbon 2 overlap with another hydrogen atom forming another sigma bond. So like this, sp hybridized orbital of carbon 2 overlap with 1s orbital of hydrogen forming one sigma bond. So carbon single bond carbon single H H. So here you are having two unhybridized orbitals. In carbon 1 2py 2pz1, in carbon 2 also 2py1 2pz1. These are making sidewise overlap. So like this, sidewise overlap. Okay, 2p, this is for 2py, this is 2pz. So these are making py py sidewise overlap, pz pz sidewise overlap, So sidewise overlap called pi bond. So carbon carbon having one sigma bond, and py py overlap making one pi bond, and pz pz overlaps making another pi bond. So this is the structure of acetylene. CH triple bond CH, one is sigma bond, another two is pi bond. So like this you have to find out the hybridization. Thank you.